Warm greetings on behalf of Team Lakshya. I, Harsh Parekh, leader of Team Lakshya. We are honored to present our project MyoPet, an interactive learning robot. We extend our sincere gratitude to the Myosa team for providing the Myosa mini kit.
I, Tanisha Sharma from Team Lakshya. MyoPet is designed as a smart learning companion for children. The main goal of this project is not just to teach the basic concepts but also to introduce children to technology and science at an early age in a simple and engaging way. By interacting with MyoPet, children experience concepts like motion, cause and effect, and system responses, helping them develop curiosity towards science and learning.
Hi, Vedjani from Team Lakshya. About the core of MyoPet, we have used the Myosa motherboard as the main controller. To enable interaction, we have implemented sensors such as APDS 9960 for gesture and color detection, the Myosa MPU 6050 for motion-based interaction, the Myosa BMP 180 for temperature sensing, the SSD 1306 Myosa OLED display of MyoPet shows the output as per the input mode. Also, a speaker buzzer along with SD card for audio storage. This entire system is programmed using Arduino IDE and powered by a battery, making it portable and child-friendly.
I, Yajushi Vilani from Team Lakshya. MyoPet supports multiple learning modes. In the alphabet learning mode, children can use simple hand gestures to move through alphabets. Each letter is displayed on the OLED screen and spoken through the speaker, enabling visual and auditory learning together. In the color learning mode, MyoPet performs RGB color detection and announces identified color. It also supports poem and story playback, making the learning experience more engaging.
MyoPet also includes an emotion learning mode using gyroscope. Based on movement, the robot displays emojis along with matching sound, helping children understand basic emotions in a friendly way. Additionally, MyoPet includes a temperature awareness mode using the Myosa BMP 180 sensor. When the temperature reaches 35 degrees Celsius, the system triggers a buzzer alert, helping children understand basic environment control and safety related concepts in a simple way.
Another key highlight of MyoPet is its low cost and sustainable design. Instead of relying on expensive material or 3D printing, we creatively reused electronics waste components such as old camera parts and simple mechanical elements to build a functional and impactful robot body. This approach demonstrates that impactful educational technology can be developed without high cost or complex manufacturing.
Compared to other educational toys, MyoPet stands out because it offers real-time interaction, multi-sensor working, and audio-visual feedback in single platform. It doesn't just deliver content, but it encourages the child to explore and observe, which is an important aspect for better learning.
MyoPet can be used in schools, homes, learning labs, and early education centers, supporting interactive and inclusive learning environments. With MyoPet, we aim to make learning interactive, affordable, and inspiring while introducing children to technology and science in a playful way.
MyoPet, learn, play, and grow!